wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best headlight restoration kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9, the cleaners and protectants in Meguiar's 1900K are designed to help you cleanse and polish your car's headlights, but they'll also work with tail lights, turn signals, motorcycle windscreens, the windows of your boat, and various other applications. It includes a thick wall buffing pad and a microfiber towel, but it requires regular repeat cleanings. At number 8, it may take a couple of hours to utilize to its full potential, but vvivid Renewal could leave your automotive lights looking as though they just left the factory. Once you have this set, all you need is a drill and a common household cleaner to get to work. You get 2 pouches of UV coating, and it offers a simple 4-step cleaning process. However, the wiping pad is weak and flimsy. Coming in at number 7 on our list, a comprehensive set that covers all the basics. Total Wax 50764 requires just 15 minutes per headlight. The system works well enough for all but the most dirty and scuffed lenses, but you will need to put some muscle into it for great results. It includes sealing wipes that prevent future damage and a drill arbor, but it's not effective on severe scratches. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Headlight Restoration Kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, this Philips Complete Kit is a must-have for anyone who regularly parks or operates his or her car on bright sunny days. Sunlight is the chief culprit behind the yellowing and clouding of headlight lenses, and the cleaners in this set help remove that insidious damage. Results last for up to 2 years, and no power tools are required. However, the process can take a while. Moving up our list to number 5. As long as you're not afraid of applying a little bit of elbow grease, Rain-X 800001809 will effectively remove that pesky yellowish haze that plagues lots of headlights. It comes with plenty of cleaning solution for multiple applications. It includes 3 different grades of sandpaper and durable pads that last a long time, but it doesn't come with enough lubricant. At number 4, once you have Sonax 405941, 3 simple steps are all that stands between foggy headlights and clear brilliant ones. Plus you only need to dab a small amount of the powerful polish to the application pad for impressive results. It features 2 soft application sponges, extremely fine sanding discs, and cloths that are pre-treated with sealant. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, unlike many ostensibly similar options, you don't need any tools to use the Sylvania kit effectively. The process relies on a series of potent chemical solutions that strip away the gunk clouding your headlight coverings, then polish any remaining rough patches. It can more than double the beam range, and application takes only 30 minutes. It's backed by a lifetime warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Headlight Restoration Kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, Trinova Clean proves that you don't need a complex, expensive system to counteract the buildup of gritty residue and eliminate the cloudy discoloration from your vehicle's lights. It's easy to use, and the results are virtually immediate. The polisher doubles as a sealant, and it provides long-lasting sun protection. It includes a tough sandpaper pad. And taking the top spot on our list, a trusted option for motorists from all walks of life, the 3M 39008 system is often used by auto maintenance professionals as well. This high-value system can breathe new life into your vehicle's lights, saving you plenty of dough on replacements. It features a quick-acting polishing compound, multiple sanding discs, and a highly effective wax protectant. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Headlight Restoration Kits, or simply click beneath this video.